Compare this 2020 RLX. Love the lights, how they're stuck on top of each other. It's like that car didn't have enough, they just stuck them up here. So let's see, this price is 62,000. 2020. This is the last year, right?
Was that? This
Last
is the
year.
last year of these.
Look at this door card. Wow.
These
Silver wood.
That's the
If
porter must have done.
that should have done this for the steering wheel, you know?
Mhm.
That would be so awesome.
Yeah, this has 3 hybrid motors and the same V6 is in there. So this
Really?
car has almost 400 horsepower.
I love this.
But at city, it gets about 31 miles a gallon city. My boss has one. I just have to
Beautiful.
calculate that today.
Beautiful. Wow. This is all soft.
This one, our porter,
Chrome.
I'll move it, got little marks on it. But
Beautiful
yeah, take a
seats.
seat. These things are fantastic.
Wow, this seat is so beautiful. Yeah, this is a different level. White steering wheel. Check this out. Very soft too. I love the steering wheel. These inserts are fantastic. This silver wood. 2 screens also. Chrome bezel for the shifters. I love this. Let's check out the engine. Oh, this one is hybrid. So you said they had 3 hybrid motors?
Yep, and they're not like a Prius or a Toyota. They're performance hybrid motors.
So they sound good?
They don't make any noise, but they make a ton of power.
Good.
Like when you hit that pedal.
And what is this engine? 3.5?
This is a 3.5.
Non-turbo, right?
Non-turbo.
Non-turbo
3
3.5.
hybrid motors. I think it's combined 377. When you hit this pedal, this thing moves.
Really interesting layout, like move to the side. You know, it's like asymmetrical. And this is for the hybrid.
This is it's an all-wheel drive system, but it's set up on the same platform as the front-wheel drive vehicles. So when your engine's here, your transmission's actually right here.
Really
Yes.
interesting. So this is unusual. Normally, looking at engines, it's not something I care about. Looking, they all look the same to me, and with a huge cover, you cannot see anything. But this is different. This is worth looking at. And this, I see this is a pearl color. I thought it was just white.
Advanced as well. This is top of the line everything.
So top of the line package called advanced.
The advanced, that you get everything. This one also has a heads-up display. Shows you your speed. It'll give you navigation prompts, speed limit, all in the window.
You know what what they call this in Europe?
What's that?
In Europe, this is the Honda Legend. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they call it?
Yeah, it's Honda Legend. Which is a nice name. They should have just called it Acura Legend, you know? Like,
Well, the Acura Legend here was not this big. It's totally different.
yeah, I remember Acura Legend from 90s. I love this car.
They were fantastic cars. It said Acura.
Oh, I like this thing. Look at that. It's a little detail like that. I really like it.
There's a ton of detail in it. If I could afford one, I would drive one.
So what is the? I know it depends on your credit and all that, but you said it's about 11,000 incentive on it, whatever. So let's say it's going to be 50 roughly.
Right.
What is the $50,000? It's like $1,000 a month for financing.
For financing, depends what you want to put down. Depends what the Acura will approve. Really, the only way to get a solid number, we don't have to run credit, but just put it on paper and see what they would do.
Gorgeous. Oh,
But before that, I think it'd be a good idea to drive one. Make sure you like it.
wow, look how much room. Look how much room I have. I love the ceiling. Wow. You have to have clean arms to touch the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
Everything is white, and this thing, you can really leave your fingerprints on it. So this is for the Vegan maps lights. Super soft leather. This is what I call soft. See here, the cup holders are probably here. Yep. And into the pass through here with a key. Huh.
ventilated as well as heated. The rears are just heated.
Which is very important for Florida.
Yeah.
Heated
But
seats
the
for Florida.
ventilated seats are very nice.
Yeah, yeah. I'm spoiled. I have ventilated seats in all my cars. This, little thing like that, catch my attention. I love this. It's like an old-fashioned boombox
Yeah.
speaker.
Well, yeah, when you have the tweeter, like this is your lows and your mids, and this is going to be high
Krell. I
range.
never heard of this brand, Krell.
Yeah, no,
But this is nice and
the
soft
most
here.
premium everything in this car right here.
Yeah, it's sad that it's people don't consider this as a.
Well, for the price point, for all the options you get, it really outperforms.
Seeing this car in person, I have to say this car compares to Lexus LS,
Oh, absolutely.
and it's cheaper because Lexus LS you're gonna get it for 100,000.
Oh, yeah. It costs a fortune.
Yeah, my friend just got one, and his payment is 1,500 a month,
Yeah.
and I think it's lease.
Yeah, I believe it.
So double exhaust. Oh yeah, double exhaust diffuser. Yeah, this is not appreciated car. Not people don't appreciate this car. Okay. I know it's going to be huge probably.
The what, the payment? Yeah, no, yes.
There's no release button inside, right?
There is, but it's electronic. Like the batteries been sitting a little while.
Yeah, there's a keyhole for
Yeah, usually there is
somewhere.
right up here.
Yeah, they hide it. So these wheels are tinted. Also, oh no, there's two color wheels. Nice. 245s, 19s. And I can see in the sun how this paint shines.
Yeah, the mirrors are auto folding. Once you lock it, they fold.
What is this for, I wonder?
A lot of vehicles have that. I believe it's something with being locked out or something. I'm not quite sure.
Really? Huh.
I've seen that in a lot of different makes and models.
That's fine. Let me take a good picture from this angle. So beautiful.
Want to drive one? I mean, that's really where they shine.
Yeah, no, if I drive one, I will have to have a sit down with you.
I don't mind that.
I know how it works. Before that, I need to. All right, so this one with the cognac interior.
Yes.
Okay. Nice dash. So this is a full analog with a little bit thin in between. Interesting how they hide the fuel gauge all the way on the corners. I mean, on the other side.
Yeah, that one over there is the hybrid battery power.
Nice feedback sound. What did you press?
It just vibrates too.
Oh wow, it's just vibrating.
Yeah, I just took this here.
How do you bring up that to life? That one is just a navigation, right?
This one is navigation, Apple CarPlay,
Okay, so
and
this
then
is
just your miles per gallon, like the whole layout of your instant miles per gallon.
Oh, I love this button here. So cool.
Yeah, this one also has the 360 camera.
This is so 90s. So this one doesn't have a frameless mirror. None of them?
The TLX does.
Yeah, that's it. Sounds. Let's hear it.
Now hit it.
Ah, now more aggressive.
Throw it here.
Oh.
It kind of limps itself when it's in park.
Cool, cool. Yeah, I like the one with the white leather better. It just feels more luxurious to me. Oh, this thing slides too?
Yes.
Very nice. And the whole thing doesn't open, right?
It does.
Oh, it's open
From each side it does.
Oh, from each side. Just like Mercedes. What is this? Is this AC?
Yes.
Interesting.
And also it has a rear shade as well, controlled back here.
Yeah. Only the back window electric, yeah. Well, the steering feel electric assist, I feel it.
Definitely.
Paddle shifters, okay. It's nice and soft. Stitch in there.